Good morning. Homework 5 English presentation of the infographic. B. Dani Valencia Bedoya. Content. You should remember the presentation you wrote in the recognition task. Your try experience. The weather. High recommendation related to the place you visit. You should remember the presentation you wrote in the recognition task. Good evening, my name is Dani Valencia, 8th semester agronomy student. In the English course 2, I am interested in the pronunciation and practicing in the correct wording of sentences as well as improving in the wording of the English language. Your experience of training in Santa Rosa de Cabal, B. Dani Valencia. There are experiences of trip. In the month of June of the year, I went to Santa Rosa de Cabal. I was there 4 days. I went with my mother and my brother to the hot spring of Santa Rosa. I liked it because it was a pleasant climate, a cool climate, the lodging was economical. During the 4 days, I paid 500,000 for the third included lunches and breakfasts. Because I had many places to visit, was the Machete Park, the largest stained glass window in Latin America, and the Santa Rosa Hot Springs route after I had to continue with my daily activities. The weather. The climate of Santa Rosa de Cabal is a very cool climate. It does not feel hot. Generally, in the water is cold and at night even more. Although it does not rain a lot in one school, you can walk warm all day. High recommendation related to place you visit. It is recommended that you wear comfortable clothes. It is necessary that you wear a jacket. It is important that you bring solar blocker. It's a good idea to wear ball dress. It's a better to visit to hot springs in the day. It is necessary to say an ad in the beginning. It's a good idea to walk Santa Rosa walking. Thank you.